Women are really hard to read and even harder to understand, but what if you have the power to make them obsess over you? Today, I will teach you a proven method to captivate any woman's attention, ensuring that she can't stop thinking and obsessing about you. By following these 4 rules, warning, it's crucial to emphasize that these techniques should only be used with good intentions and not for manipulative purposes. And at the end of the video, I will give you another secret sauce that will blow your phone with non-stop messages from her. So watch till the end. The key to creating a strong connection with a woman lies in establishing an emotional bond. However, it's important not to become overly emotional or divulge your deepest desires too early on. Instead, focus on demonstrating that you possess the qualities she desires in a partner. The time you spend together is crucial during the attraction phase, so make sure it's enjoyable, lighthearted, and memorable. By doing so, you can make a lasting impression that will keep her thinking about you. Now, let's dive right into the 4 essential rules to make her obsess over you. Rule number 1, forge an emotional connection. The foundation of capturing a woman's thoughts lies in establishing a deep emotional bond. However, tread carefully. This isn't about pouring your heart out too soon. Instead, show her glimpses of the captivating man you are, but keep it lighthearted and enjoyable. Make her crave your company by creating memorable experiences together. Example, instead of bombarding her with emotional confessions, engage her in activities that evoke positive emotions such as laughter, excitement, and joy. Plan adventurous outings or surprise her with thoughtful gestures that showcase your understanding of her desires and interests. Rule number 2, embrace mystery. One of the most potent tools in your arsenal is the element of mystery. Keep her guessing about your whereabouts and activities. Avoid oversharing on social media platforms, as transparency can diminish intrigue. Instead, maintains an air of enigma by selectively disclosing information and occasionally disappearing from her radar. Example, rather than documenting every moment of your life on social media, strategically curate your posts to highlight intriguing aspects of your personality. Create curiosity by posting cryptic messages or tantalizing glimpses into your adventures without revealing too much. By maintaining an aura of mystery, you'll pique her interest and leave her yearning for more. Rule number 3, strategic engagement. Timing is everything when it comes to maintaining a woman's interest. Instead of being constantly available, strategically plan your interactions to keep her intrigued. Don't respond to every text immediately or make yourself too accessible. By creating scarcity, you'll amplify your desirability and increase her longing for your presence. Example, suppose she sends you a text expressing her desire to meet up. Instead of immediately agreeing, playfully tease her and suggest that you're busy with other engagements. By demonstrating that your time is valuable and in demand, you'll enhance your allure and leave her eagerly anticipating your next encounter. If rules 1 to 3 have kept you excited, how about tapping that subscribe so that we can proceed to Rule 4? Rule number 4, masterful planning. When it's time to reconnect after a period of strategic withdrawal, approach with finesse. Keep the conversation light and focused on her interests, demonstrating genuine curiosity and understanding. Avoid overwhelming her with your agenda, and instead, prioritize creating memorable experiences that deepen your connection. Example, suppose you reconnect after a brief hiatus and engage her in a conversation. Rather than dominating the discussion with your achievements and experiences, actively listen to her stories and insights. Show genuine interest in her world and subtly weave in suggestions for future adventures together. By orchestrating meaningful interactions, you'll leave a lasting impression and ensure she can't stop thinking about you. By following these rules, you can establish a deep connection with the woman of your choice and ensure that she can't stop thinking about you. Remember, It's important to use these techniques responsibly and with good intentions, always respecting the other person's feelings and boundaries. And for the final secret sauce. A friend used to make a girl fall for him and chase him. It is truly and extremely effective, and had her message him. So still caution. Use it at your own risk. What he did was, after he was invited to the her house because of an amazing date, he went back again to the her house, not to get into her pants, but did something more insidious. He bought with him a tiny bottle of his cologne and sprayed a bit of it onto the bulb of her room when she went into her bathroom. Which means every time she turned the light on, the heat of the light bulb would permeate the scent all across the room, making her subconsciously start thinking about him. She would then constantly bomb his phone with her messages asking for another date, which definitely makes this tip a winner. Though it's a bit manipulative, but if you want to really know how you can spot a true manipulator, watch the video suggested on the screen.